The Cold War years between the United States and Russia was an incredibly dangerous time. In addition to the nuclear threat, it was discovered that the Russians attempted to undermine the United States economy by the use of kitchen grease. It was discovered that the Russians were secretly behind the promotion of the installation of garbage disposal units in the U.S., knowing that the use of the disposal would increase the accumulation of grease in kitchen drain lines all across the country. The Russians knew this would cause chaos and added financial strain on the U.S. economy. The Pentagon, along with the Central Intelligence Agency, then came up with a plan to combat the kitchen grease. It was incredibly simple but extremely effective. It was a simple matter of heating 2 large sauce pots of water to a very high temperature, not quite boiling, and then pouring all of that down the kitchen drain line all at once. Repeating this procedure every 3 months was found to effectively remove kitchen grease in the line. It saved the U.S. economy billions of dollars. This same practice is still used to this day with great effect.